6 strange animals you won't believe exist. Number 1. Penis snake. A creature discovered by engineers building a dam in the Amazon is a type of limbless amphibian that resembles an earthworm or a snake-like penis. Little else is known about the species, although it is thought to be aquatic and lacks lungs, breathing through its skin instead. Vermiform, eyeless, grey in color, and each measuring approximately 3 feet long. 6 specimens of this species were found at the bottom of the Madeira River during the draining of a portion of it by engineers in November 2011 for a new hydroelectricity dam in the northern Brazilian state of Rondônia. Sadly, however, one of them died, but 3 of the others were released back into the river shortly afterwards, with the remaining 2 being retained for further scientific study and formal taxonomic identification. Number 2. Red-lipped batfish. What I find most interesting about the red-lipped batfish is they are horrible swimmers that prefers to walk along the ocean floor. This particular fish has some weird looking fins that have been modified to use as legs. Much like some other deep sea fish, the red-lipped batfish loves to trick their prey into coming nice and close. They do this by using a shiny lure that projects from their head. This attracts small animals such as crabs, mollusks, and shrimps, which of course is probably the last thing any of these prey species see before they meet their demise. This strange looking fish is not even close to being at risk. As far as we know, they have no threats and should stick around for a long time. Number 3. Sonda Colugo. The Malayan flying lemur is one of only 2 species of flying lemur, the other one being the Philippine flying lemur. They have a body length between 33 and 42 centimeters, a tail length between 17.5 and 27 centimeters, and they weigh between 0.9 and 2 kilograms. The Sonda flying lemur is not a lemur and does not fly. Instead, it glides as it leaps among trees. A strong kite-shaped membrane known as the patagium surrounds their body, and when they extend this, it enables them to glide over 100 meters between trees with very little loss in height. The Sonda flying lemur is a skillful climber but is helpless when on the ground. The Sonda flying lemur is protected by national legislation. In addition to deforestation and loss of habitat, local subsistence hunting poses a serious threat to this animal. Number 4. Sea pig. The animals commonly known as sea pigs are in fact a type of sea cucumber. Despite their abundance, most people will never see a sea pig as they live in the coldest and deepest parts of the ocean. They fit in the palm of your hand. Sea pigs tend to be about 4 to 6 inches long. Scientists have known about sea pigs for more than 100 years. They were first described by Swedish zoologists in 1882. Thiel described about 65 new species discovered by the British research ship HMS Challenger during her round-the-world expedition of 1872 to 1876. Sea pigs have 5 to 7 pairs of enlarged tube feet. These walking legs are hydraulically operated appendages that can be inflated and deflated to move around. Sea pig parasites include small snails and crustaceans that bore holes in their hosts' bodies and feed on them internally. Number 5. The Babirusa. Babirusas are native to the Indonesian islands. This animal have pig-like appearance with deer-like legs. That's why it is named the Babirusa, meaning piggy deer. They are not ordinary pigs we see commonly. Males have brittle curved tusks which are used to destroy enemies and for fighting with other pigs over females. The tusks can reach lengths of 17 inches and can actually grow back into the skull. Babirusas eat almost everything. They are omnivores with a diet that includes leaves, fruits, insects, fish, and even small babirusas. In the wild, Babirusas might live 10 years, but several Babirusas in zoos have made it past 20 years old.